Today's video from Casio Help, we're going to take a look at programming the receipt header on the PCR-T2300 register. We're using the 3000 in this demo, but the process is identical. So as standard on the machine, if you've removed the graphic logo header, which I've got another video on which will come up at the end of this video, you've got a default message of your receipt thank you call again on there. So I'm just going to show you how we can personalise that to put on whatever you want. Several things you need. Ideally you'll have the user manual, because that'll help you put in punctuation and bits and bobs. You need the till itself, OVS, and then you also need the PGM key. So if we turn the key round to PGM, and then we've got a tab up of all the different settings you can change on the program of the machine, and we're looking for message setting. So you arrow down, highlight that, and then press the CA amount 10, and this brings up what is currently on there. So you've got logo 1, logo 2, logo 3, logo 4, which are line 1, line 2 and line 3. So you can see on the till it's got your receipt thank you call again, and you can see how that renders on the till receipt. So we're going to change line 1 to start with, which is already highlighted. So you simply press cash amount 10. You've got a delete button here, so I find it easier to just delete everything that's on there as standard. We're going to put Casio Help in the first line, and we're going to do it double size. Now on these machines, on each of the 4 lines, you can have up to 24 normal size characters or 12 double size, and the default message of the your receipt thank you call again is double size. So let's do one line double size and the rest smaller. So to get double size, there's a button here that says double size on it, and then if you're doing caps, I find it easier to just enter them via the department buttons. You can see on your till that all these department buttons or sales categories have a letter on them as well. So you simply type in the name. When you come to do a space, that's over here on the X date time key, and then we've got HELP somewhere. There we go. So we've got that typed in as line 1. So to save it, you press cash amount end, and that returns you to the main logo message setting menu, and you can see we've got our new line programmed in. You can then scroll down to line 2. Again, same process. Cash amount 10 to go into it. Easier to just delete everything that's already there by pressing the delete key until everything's gone. This line we're going to do in normal size characters, because we're going to try and put the website in. So we've got www.casiohelp.co.uk. That's less than 24 characters, so that's going to fit, but it's more than 12, so we can't have it double sized. There's just not enough room for it. So lowercase characters you enter via the number keypad. So it's a bit like the old-fashioned mobile phone texting. The number 3 button has W, X, Y and Z under it, but then it also has them in lowercase. So to get the lowercase W, I had to press the number 3 5 times. Now the next character we want to put in is also a W, but if I push this button again, it's going to toggle on to lowercase x. So there's a save character button here, which will tell the till that I want the W saved, and then I want to move on to the next character. So again, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, gets me my lowercase w. One more save button, and then I enter that again, and then I'm ready to input my next character. This, when we're entering punctuation and this sort of thing, this is where the manual comes into its own. So in my copy, I'm on page 60, and I've got a complete breakdown of where all the punctuation and grammar appears. So you can see that each of the keys here are represented. They're the 0 to 9 keypad buttons, and that you can see, so if we look for the W, the number 3, the 5th press is the lowercase W. I now want to put in a dot for the www dot, and we can see that under number 7 button we've got all the punctuation, and the 30-second one, the 30-second one there is the dot. So basically it's as simple as, I would save that one, and then There we go, 32 presses has got me in my dot, so I've got www dot, then I'm going to go on to the C, which is lowercase c is 6 presses of that button, and again because we want an A next we have to save the C, and then 4 presses will get me the lowercase a, and 8 presses of this should get me the lowercase s, and then I'm on to the I, so that's 6 presses because it's only 3 letters on that button. Same process for the O. It's a bit fiddly, but it's not rocket science, but it's really, the manual really comes into its own. And you can see here examples of all the punctuation you want. The key is to just know under which button it is and ideally how many presses you need. There we go. Back to C. Lowercase c is 6 of those. It makes you think twice about putting a website in. There we go. If I had gone one too far, it doesn't matter, you just keep tabbing to the end and then go again, and just remember to keep count next time. We finish with the K. So there we go, we've got www.casiohelp.co.uk, cash amount 10 to save it. Okay, I'll do one more with number entry. I was only going to do 2, but I'll just show you quickly how to put in numbers. So on line 3, let's put in a phone number. So again, cash amount 10 to go into it, delete button to get rid of it all, and then we're just going to quickly pop in TEL. No, yeah. So if you've made a mistake, I've mistyped, just delete. See if I can find the L this time. There we go. And then we'll pop in a bit of punctuation again. So the dash will do for the phone number. We'll tab on a bit and space over so we can put the numbers. So the numbers are under the number keypad. 0 is the only button that's on 0, so that's nice and easy. And then for the 1, you basically go for the uppercase letters and then the lowercase letters and repeat the process for each one. So the 2, I've gone too far, so it doesn't matter, you just keep tabbing to the end and then just watch out for when the number's ready to come up. You repeat that process. I won't bore you to tears by showing you the whole number being typed in, but you repeat that process when you've got your phone number in or your VAT number or whatever you put in there. Cash amount 10 to save, and then subtotal to come out of the setting. Once you're back to this menu, you're safe to turn the key back to reg, and then let's put it through a quick no sale just to check what we've done. There we go, on the till receipt we've got Casio Help at the top, the website underneath, and then part of the phone number. Okay, for more information on using Casio cash registers, please subscribe to our YouTube account or visit casiohelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.